So hello kids, in today's video we will learn to draw orange juice.
All around the mulberry bush, the
Do you
monkey
like to
chased
drink
the
juice?
weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for
Okay,
a
that's
needle.
great. Let's draw
That's
with
the way
me.
the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Fruit juice is an excellent source of vitamin and minerals.
Thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle.
Dark blue color.
That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Orange color.
The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all